Yo, 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 yo! What's up, peeps? Let's get into some cryptocurrency news. For starters, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just to help with research. All right, everyone. Today is November 27th, 2021. And you know what time it is, guys? It is time to get this crypto money. It is time to make these gains. All right. So today, the coin that we will talk about is a coin called Galaxy Heroes coin. All right. So I will put a link to this article right here. It describes the coin very well. I'm not gonna read the entire thing, but you guys can check it out for yourself. So basically, when I scroll down, look at here, it says, "What is GHC?" GHC Galaxy Heroes coin is currently the only NFT coin featured space heroes and superheroes, which is used to appreciate those space heroes who have made outstanding contributions to human exploration of space, as well as superheroes in movies and comics. So GHC launches its own superhero series, NFT games, and NFT platforms. All right. So, guys, this is pretty much the summary of what exactly this coin is. So, I will put a link to this article. You guys can read the entire thing. All right. So, another part about the article, they basically mentioned the founders. So, they mentioned Brian Summer and OG Toby, as well as Andy Leon and JK. Two co founders of the community are all renowned project proponents within this circle. All right. So I will put a link to this article. You guys can read the entire thing. All right, let's continue. Now, another thing that stood out to me about this project was that actually Yahoo themselves actually have an article about this project. So basically, the article just says that Galaxy Heroes Coin is a community driven token that launched on the Binance blockchain October 1st at a $500,000 market cap and is currently at $18 million market cap. This was back on October 14th, 2021, right? So, guys, it also mentioned that Binance tweeted, "It's time to accelerate Binance Smart Chain's journey towards scaling and mass adoption. We're announcing the biggest growth fund in the history of crypto, the $1 billion fund to push adoption of not only BSC, but the whole blockchain industry." All right. The Docs developer Brian Summer was previously part of the Baby Dodge team, which became one of the most popular Dodge coins, reaching over $1 billion in market cap. Right? So basically, I'll put a link to this article. I'm not going to read the entire thing, but you guys can find out more information about this particular project. All right. So let's continue. Now, when we come to CoinMarketCap, guys, I know there's a bit of red, but crypto as a whole has been under attack this week. There's been a lot of FUD, and unfortunately, there's a news that came out about a variant for the virus that was found in South Africa that impacted crypto and also impacted the stock market. Because for right now, guys, if you're not aware, crypto and the stock market are kind of correlated. So usually when there's a major crash in the stock market, there's a major crash in crypto. All right. But guys, have no fear, we still have time to go up. We can still hit 100,000 as far as Bitcoin before the end of the year, right? It's not guaranteed, but guys, it is possible, all right? Bitcoin can do that, all right? It went from like 40,000 to 60,000 in a couple days, in a few days. So basically, guys, that is possible. So let's continue. So Galaxy Heroes coin is currently ranked at number 510. It is on 23,891 watch list. Its current market cap is at 84 million. Its volume is at 7.3 million. And this is its circulating supply. And most importantly, the circulating supply, guys, is verified. All right. So the current price for this project is 0.0000008401. All right, guys. Yes, it's a lot of zeros, but guess what? At the end of the day, it's not about the zeros. It's about the percentage of gains. All right, ignore the zeros. All right, so let's continue. So now the all-time high for this particular project. The all-time high was actually back on November 17, 2021, which was 10 days ago. It's been down 35% since then, but it was at 0.0000001325. All right. So, guys, only down 35% from them. But, guys, with the market cap being only at 84 million, this project has a lot of room to grow. All right. So, let's continue. Now, these are the exchanges that it's on. You have PancakeSwap, LBank, Bitmart, Hotbit, and all these other exchanges that it's currently on. And I'm pretty sure the team is working on getting it listed on more and more exchanges, which will increase volume and ultimately increase price. All right. So now when you look at the socials, guys, you always want to look at the socials. Why? Because you want to make sure you're not getting involved in a dead project. So you want to look at the Twitter page, the Reddit, the Telegram, the Discord, and also just Google the project just to find out more information. Because guys, you do not want to get involved in the dead project. So as you can see, they have tweets from 4 hours ago, 4 hours ago, 11 hours ago, 12 hours ago, November 25th, November 24th. November 24th. So overall, the team is very active on Twitter and giving updates. So it's not a dead project. All right. So let's continue. All right. So now, when we look at the BSC chain, guys, it is currently on 52,767 addresses. All right. These are people that currently have this project in their wallets. And now, when you scroll down to the hodlers, guys, you can see that pretty much so far so good. Not one particular wallet has too much. Everybody pretty much has under 1%. So that is good. So if there's a big sell off, the wall cannot impact prices. So that is also a good sign. So let's continue. Now, like I said, you want to look at the Reddit page. So this is the Reddit page right here. It is currently having 414 members. It's an up and coming project. So, guys, it's not a lot of members, but it's growing. I forgot to mention this project was pretty much publicly launched. Let's go back real quick. It became publicly launched back in basically beginning of October. So this project is not that old, guys. It's practically about almost 2 months old. All right. So currently it has 414 members on Reddit. And guys, the reason why you want to check out the Reddit page is because the Reddit page is how you're gonna find the latest updates about the project. They are the ones that are the community. They are the hodlers. They are the ones that spread the word. They are the ones that help ultimately drive prices up and increase volume. All right. So as you can see, you have posts from 4 days ago, 4 days ago, 5 days ago, 6 days ago, 6 days ago. Overall, very active for a project that is fairly new and doesn't have a major community yet on Reddit. So, guys, this will continue to grow even more, and there's going to be more members as word spreads out about this project. All right, so let's continue. Now, guys, this is their website. As you can see, this is Brian Summer. He's the CEO and founder. OG Toby, Dex developer, and this person right here is the web developer. So they put their face out there for you guys to see. So I'll put a link to the website and you guys can check it out for yourself. But very cool. As soon as you come to the website, you can tell us about the Galaxy. All right. And also NFTs too. So this page you can see news. This is the tokenomics. All right. And LP, most importantly, guys, is a liquidity pool. You want to make sure that the liquidity pool is locked because, guys, the developer cannot run off with your money. Okay, so that's important whenever you're trying to invest in an altcoin project. So I'll put a link to the Reddit page and you guys can check it out for yourself. So overall, very nice website. All right. So let's continue. Now, guys, as you can see, this right here is their Twitter page, all right? So this is their Twitter page. I know I showed it to you guys before, but as you can see, this coin has been trending. It has been trending, so there's a lot of interest and eyes on this project, all right? And now, this right here is a Twitter page for Brian Summer. As I shown you guys, Brian is actually the owner and CEO, all right? So this is him right here. I'll put a link to his Twitter page and you guys can check it out for yourself. All right, let's continue. Now, when we go back to the article, right? It mentioned, let me look at it. It mentioned right here, this person right here, Andy Leon. Sorry if I mispronounced the name. So, founder of Asian blockchain community and board member of Big One Exchange. So, this is somebody who's a part of the team, most likely the advisory board member. So, guys, right here, this is the Twitter page for this person, Andy. Sorry if I mispronounced the name. So, here's his face. So, here's some pictures. Go down. It's him right here doing an interview. Uh, Another thing I was going to show you guys. Let's go back real quick. So this is him right here. So overall, you can see that they are a legit team, and he's also a best-selling author for this particular book. So guys, it's a legit team, legit people are behind this project. All right. And also another thing I want to mention to you guys is that in the article that I was showing you guys, it mentioned right here that they have ALF fund institution. Basically, these are the part of the investors who have invested millions of dollars into this project. So this right here is the website for ALF. So I'll put a link to it. So they're investment firm. Basically, they invest in projects and companies, upcoming startups. So I'll put a link to their website. You guys can check it out for yourself. So far, so good. Everything's legit about this project. Now, remember, they mentioned that the founder, Brian Summer, he was a former global marketing manager of Baby Dodge. All right. So Baby Dodge actually right now its market cap is at 541 million. But guys, it had reached a market cap of over a billion. All right. So the reason why I want to show you guys is just to show you the success that Baby Dodge has had. So hypothetically speaking, let's just say that when we go back to Galaxy Heroes, right? Currently its market cap is at 84 million. Let's just say that it were to reach $1 billion in market cap. All right. So let's do a quick calculation. All right. So if it were to reach $1 billion in market cap, we just take this divided by the 84. This is a rough estimate, it's not going to be exact. So it would basically be 11.9, practically 12x from here. So you multiply it by the current price, you would get point. So you would get this price right here. So basically knocking off two zeros. All right. So 12x from here, guys, you just multiply 12 times whatever you invested. And of course, this is just a rough estimate. This project can go way past $1 billion in market cap. It can go to 10, it can go to 20, it can go to 30. Anything is possible in crypto, but we're just being conservative. It's not going to be exact dollars, but just a rough estimate as potential price that it could reach. All right. So most importantly, with this market cap of 84 million, that means that this project has a lot more room to grow. Okay. So last but not least, some quick technical analysis. So I'm looking at L Bank, the daily chart, zooming in a little bit. So the purple lines are levels of support and resistance, and that yellow line that you see is just a trend line. So overall, when you zoom out, guys, you can see that this project basically since October has been going up. Now, keep in mind, guys, no matter if it's stocks or cryptos, they never go straight up or straight down. They always zigzag. All right. So basically, it went up, breaking through a lot of levels of resistance. It found a level of support basically at the end of October, moving sideways. And this has been a resistance. It kind of keeps on spiking through that level of resistance. But unfortunately, because of Bitcoin keep on crashing, it still impacts all coins. One day we'll be able to separate Bitcoin from altcoins, but for right now, when Bitcoin goes down, unfortunately, it impacts the altcoin market. All right, but guys, as you can see, it keeps on spiking up. All right, at this level of resistance. So that means whenever momentum comes in, and plus, guys, keep in mind that we are in the fourth quarter. Overall, historically, if you look at the charts from 2013 and 2017, when we had major bull runs, guys, the fourth quarter, December, has been the biggest month for crypto overall. All right. So if we follow the same patterns, which we have been following all throughout this bull run, all right, guys, this project will most likely break through that level of resistance. As you can see, all these spikes that it keeps on basically trying to break through that level of resistance. Imagine you're trying to keep on running into a wall. Eventually, you're going to bust through that wall, and that is what it's doing. Okay. So, as long as it doesn't break down, guys, you can expect that this project will break through this level of resistance and set a new all time high. All right. So, guys, overall, this project looks legit. The development team, they show their face. We've seen that Yahoo has written articles about them. They have very good volume. They only had 84 million in market cap, so that means they have room to grow even more. So overall, this project looks very interesting. So guys, I recommend that you look into it. Keep in mind, guys, only invest what you're able to lose. Make sure to do your own research. I'm just helping you out with some of the research. With that being said, guys, I am out.